Raising gas is started here as Sikuda. Break quickly at the start. Most unbelievable is done on the inside. Tremendous Ethan Dragon May Panamera. While renewable energy is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn here as Sikuda. By about 2 lengths. Most unbelievable is right behind in second. Tremendous Ethan comes next. Dragon May Panamera. While renewable energy is still racing in 6. Back to the leader. We have Asikuda, Bayerling Kenny Hapa, Tremendous Ethan now in second. Dragon May now moving up on the outside. Most unbelievable renewable energy now moving up on the outside. Panamera now racing in 6. Another part turn Asikuda, followed by Tremendous Ethan, renewable energy now moving up to take third. Most unbelievable is down on the inside. Dragon May and Panamera. And as they swing for home, we have Asikuda by about 2 lengths. Most unbelievable now moving up on the outside. Renewable energy last 75 meters. We have Asikuda followed by most unbelievable, and finally it's Asikuda. Most unbelievable renewable energy. Then comes Dragon May.
Yun din,